Oh my god, man.
All right, perfect.
All right, man.
Give me one more blow.
Huh? Are you sure I can't just get a warning?
A warning for boating under the influence?
No, I'm not under the influence.
Yes, you are, ma'am. Absolutely are.
Take a deep breath and give me
We don't give warnings for boating under the influence. That'd be like getting stopped on the road and say, hey, can I have a warning for driving under the influence?
There you go. You got the click? All right.
I see the click.
All right.
On April 28, 2024, Florida Marine Enforcement arrested a boat operator in Palm Beach County for boating under the influence. Within minutes, she asked the officer on camera if she could just have a warning and refused a breath test after 10 minutes of implied consent advisement.
Do you have anything on the boat that belongs to you?
No.
I'm going to go ahead and stand up and have to take your handcuffs off.
I gotta tell you, man. Never been more sure about now. Like
798.
954 798
805.
80. No, I know you wouldn't. I know you wouldn't.
Are you detaining me to someone?
It'll be Palm Beach County Jail.
Palm Beach.
Are you with her?
No, I just made
No.
it, bro. They got the family. I think it's right.
And did we get your driver's license yet?
Yeah, he got.
You got? Okay.
He's already in the call.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and give me a deep breath. Just blow. Blow. Perfect.
You sit back down.
Take a breath.
Oh my god, man.
All right, perfect.
All right, man.
Give me one more blow.
Are you sure I can't just get a warning?
A warning for boating under the influence?
No, I'm not under the influence.
Yes, you are, ma'am. Absolutely are.
Take a deep breath and give me
We don't give warnings for boating under the influence. That'd be like getting stopped on the road and say, hey, can I have a warning for driving under the influence?
There you go. You got the click? All right.
I see the click.
All right.
Alright, I'm going to read you some stuff reference the breath test, okay? I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test? It's just a yes or no. Mia, you have a right, okay? I'm not asking you questions about your arrest. You have a right to provide a breath sample. It's just a simple yes or no, okay? Do you want to provide a breath sample? No. I need an out loud no. Okay. If you refuse to submit to the test I requested of you, it will result in a civil penalty of $500. Additionally, if you refuse to submit to the test I've requested, and you've previously been fined under section 327.35215 Florida Statutes, or if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor. In addition to any other penalties you will be imposed by law, refusal to submit to this test as requested is admissible in the evidence of any criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I just read to you? So basically it says, if you refuse the test, it's a $500 civil penalty. If you have a prior refusal on record, it becomes a misdemeanor. So do you have a prior refusal? So if you refuse the test, it would be a $500 civil infraction. That's the penalty. Okay? You understand what I read to you? Mia, do you understand what I read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you still refuse to submit to the test? Do you want to submit to the test? Are you okay?
I've just never been in a situation
Okay.
like this.
Are you okay though? Because you're not answering simple questions. Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Do you want to take the test?
The underlying charge is governed by Florida Statute 327.35, which mirrors the state's DUI framework. Under Section 316.193, operating a vessel while impaired, or at 0.08 blood alcohol or higher. First offense BUI is a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 6 months in county jail and a $500 fine. Florida treats it with the same criminal classification as DUI and enforces it the same way. The subject's request for a warning is doctrinally unavailable. Warnings exist for non-criminal traffic infractions. BUI has never been in that category, and neither has DUI. Fourth Amendment authority for the stop rests on United States v. Villamonte Marquez, which recognizes broader inspection authority over vessels than over automobiles because of the maritime regulatory context. The implied consent framework is the legally decisive phase. Under Florida Statute 327.352, any person who operates a vessel in Florida waters has, by that act, consented to chemical testing upon lawful arrest for BUI. The officer is not negotiating consent. The statute has already answered that question. The advisement is informational, not a request for permission. Under South Dakota v. Neville, a state may attach civil and criminal consequences to refusal without violating the Fifth Amendment. Breath is physical evidence, not testimonial, and is beyond the self-incrimination protection. Birchfield v. North Dakota resolved the remaining question. Breath tests are permissible as a search incident to lawful arrest, and criminalizing refusal of a breath test is constitutionally sound. Pennsylvania v. Muniz adds the last piece. Routine implied consent recitation is not interrogation for Miranda purposes, and no Miranda warning is required before the advisement is read. Refusal triggers 3 automatic consequences: a $500 civil penalty under Florida Statute 327.35215, evidentiary use at trial as consciousness of guilt, and potential administrative action against the boater's safety identification card. The jurisdictional twist unique to BUI is that refusing the breath test does not automatically suspend the driver's license. That consequence lives in the DUI statute, Section 322.2615, and does not cross over to the Marine scheme. However, a BUI conviction, not merely a refusal, can still affect driving status for repeat offenders and for sentencing enhancements tied to prior alcohol-related offenses.
Sorry, could I take a moment to think about it?
Yeah, you can take a moment, yep. Okay, so just in summary, because I want to make sure you heard what I said. If you refuse to take the test, it's a $500 penalty. It's like a civil infraction, okay? If you want to take the test, we'd be happy to do it.
No, I don't want to take it.
You don't want to take the test, okay. You will get a copy of this form. I'm going to read you your directions on the back, okay? Take it out, your life jacket off when you get on the dock. Just make sure to wear everything you learn, alright? Let's step back to the back of the boat. Alright, what you're gonna do, you're gonna step up here, and we're gonna help you get up, okay?
All right, cool.
Step up.
These two big guys will help out. All right. There you go. Perfect. All right.
All right, is there a table?
Good?
Yep, thank you.
You got it.
Thank you. Take a seat right here.
The officer earns an A. The advisement was read verbatim, paraphrased twice in plain language, interrupted only for a welfare check when the subject grew quiet, and delivered without pressure or raised voice. The subject earns a C+. She was cooperative and non-hostile throughout, but operating a vessel while impaired is the underlying wrongful act, and refusing the breath test forecloses any exculpatory evidence she might otherwise have used. The central lesson is that implied consent is not a request. Every vessel operator in Florida has already consented by the act of operating. What looks like a choice on the water is a choice about consequences, not about the test itself. Refusal is a legal right with legal costs. It attaches a civil penalty, removes the only objective evidence of intoxication or sobriety, and becomes admissible at trial as consciousness of guilt. Marine enforcement is not a lesser tier of law enforcement. Florida's BUI framework tracks its DUI framework statute by statute, and the criminal exposure is identical on first offense. And for every operator on the water, the governing principle is simple. If alcohol is consumed, someone else operates the vessel. There is no warning. There is no second chance. There is only the statute. Let us know what legal topics you'd like us to analyze in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.